good, she good.
Go ahead.
Hey, Dawn.
You ready, Uncle Richie?
I'm ready.
Hold on, JJ. Oh, wow, Cameron.
Very good.
Excellent, Cameron.
Holy wow.
Excellent job. Who's that, Cameron?
Daddy.
Oh.
What you crying for? Daddy.
What you crying for? Happy summer. What you crying for?
I'm glad that you're here.
Do you like the surprise, Cameron?
Yes.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you, baby. So you finished crying now?
Come here.
Yay!